Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to adjust the font size of your heading text in Elementor. As you can see on my screen right now, I'm editing a web page of my website, and here I have created a new section and have added the heading widget in that particular section. Right now I just want to edit this heading, and for editing this heading we just need to move our cursor over the heading, and a pink box would appear like over the heading, and there you will find a top right corner icon, the pen icon in the top right corner. Right, you just need to click on that, and when you click on that, in the left side toolbar you have three options like content setting, style setting, and advanced setting. Right, you just need to move to the style setting, and here in the style setting, in the heading settings, you will find a typography option over there. You just need to click on the pen icon in front of typography setting to edit the typography, and here you can simply change the size of your heading. Right, so this is how you can change the size of your heading. Right, apart from that, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have just mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.